તાજા સમાચાર તમારી ભાષામાં મેળવવા માટે ડાઉનલોડ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડેની એપ.
My all-time favorite is Irfan Saab in Taboo Man.
I never saw it as an unconventional debut.
When I read that character, firstly I instantly fell in love with it.
जब काम करना शुरू किया एज एन एक्टर तो आपको समझ में आता है कि इट्स नॉट अबाउट थियरी और इट्स अबाउट डूइंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ कैमरा और स्टेज. तो उस जर्नी में बहुत सारे एक्टर्स डायरेक्टर्स आपको इंस्पायर करते हैं. आई एम श्योर बट इफ़ आई वुड से few names in Indian cinema, Nasir Bhai, Ompuri ji, but I think my all-time favorite is Irfan Saab and Taboo Man, because I think if you look at their journeys, Irfan Saab, he was doing something amazing in like 30 years ago when nobody could understand what he was doing. I heard somewhere from his classmate from NSD that he used to be on stage and तो उनको ये बोला जाता था कि तुम कुछ करते क्यों नहीं हो, एक्टिंग क्यों नहीं करते हो. तो अब लोग बहुत ज़्यादा इस बात को लेके उनको बोला जाता था कि ये सबसे ख़राब एक्टर है बैच का. बट ही वॉज डूइंग समथिंग अमेजिंग, समथिंग वेरी इंटरनल, एंड वी कुड सी हिज वर्क थ्रू आउट. Yeah, he was amazing, always been inspired by him.
No, it's been a very heartwarming response. I'm so glad that people have watched the film and they're enjoying the film. And I'd really like to thank Siddharth sir and Adi sir for considering me for this part and for giving me this opportunity. And I hope I can continue doing good work.
Well, it's a tough choice as a debut, and it's a very unconventional debut as well. So tell us, what made you gravitate to choosing this project as your first?
You know, I never saw it as an unconventional debut. I've been hearing that a lot, but I've always found that question very confusing because जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट सुनी तो मुझे बहुत पसंद आई थी. सिद्धार्थ सर की पिछली फिल्म हिचकी मुझे बहुत पसंद आई थी. Yashraj is probably the biggest studio in the country today.
So I was just doing Jayesh Bhai. I finished Jayesh Bhai, and Adi sir told me that he wants to he wants me to do this film, and he sat me down, we were chatting, and he said, "Can you dance?" I said, "I don't know, I think I am a very good dancer." In my head, I was a really good dancer, okay? And then he said that... Until you met Pepe. Until I started practicing. It was really tough. I mean, my body is not... Like, I don't do a lot of Indian... I've not learned Indian classical, right? So we had to, like, rehearse for 2 months straight for it. And I did an audition for that. So my audition was a dance audition because he was like, Dekh to lo, at least you can dance or not. And then, just to, what I love, my prep got so much easier, I tell you how. Because I was just, the people that I was working with, the technicians I was working with, my director, my writer, my co-actors, we were all just in there, to help each other out. And I feel like how Jaideep sir also said that Max se maine achhe kapde pehna diye. So when you wear these clothes, when you sit with your director and discuss these, scenes, and he convinces you and tells you why Kishori is what she is, because of course, I'm not Kishori, I'm not like Kishori, and I would have questions, and I would like, why? And he would sit me down, and with the simplicity and the conviction that he had, it just makes it easy for an actor, I feel. So I don't think, I might have done like the preps by reading my lines, learning my dialogues, but whatever was done there, by my co-actors, by my director, by my writer, by my DOP, everything, it all came together. So that was all a part of my prep.
Honestly, firstly, I would love to say thank you to all the audiences who have watched our film और उन्होंने हमें इतना ढेर सारा प्यार दिया. Especially बहुत सारे लोगों ने मेरे डिक्शन पे जो गुजराती एक्सेंट है, जो श और स का खेल है, उस पर बहुत उसे नोटिस किया और उसे इतना सारा प्यार दिया. तो फॉर मी, आई थिंक आई वुड फर्स्ट लाइक टू से थैंक यू टू एवरीवन. Viraj as a character, she was she was very different somewhere from the whole world, and she's the only character that is doing comedy in the film. So for me, when I read that character, firstly I instantly fell in love with it. I remember being in a narration and even Sid sir saying that I just could see you smile and smile and smile, so I knew that you were definitely doing it. So I was very happy with the character. I was thoroughly entertained in the narration. Of course, our writer Sneha, she's written the dialogues very well, and I think that that's the first credit, because the character is the dialogues, the character is the way she has been written, and especially the khel of Sir and Sure, which is the most beautiful part. For me to land that correctly, I needed to know Gujarati, I needed to learn it. It is not something that I could have done, because एक होता है आप भाषा को सीखते हो, उसे सीखने के बाद you have to unlearn it to be able to get it wrong, because मैं गलत बोल रही हूँ उसमें भी. So I think वो सीख के फिर उसको फिर से उसको तोड़ना सबसे ज़्यादा मुश्किल था मेरे लिए. But of course सिड सर एंड आई हमने काफ़ी सारी रीडिंग्स किए. स्नेहा मैम के साथ हम बैठे थे, एंड शी वॉज एक्चुअली माई मेन she was my anchor actually with this role, because I am not a Gujarati. She was a Gujarati, she's written it, and I was dependent on her completely to understand this. And of course, as Sid sir said, मैंने बहुत सारी गुजराती फिल्म्स देखी. मेरी बचपन की 2 दोस्त हैं गुजराती. I used to actually speak to their mums all the time on a voice call. तो मैं उनको बोलती थी कि आप अगर बात नहीं कर सकते तो एक voice note छोड़ दो. तो I used to get a voice note every morning in Gujarati. So I've really tried to get into the world, and to be very honest, मुझे वो actually I completely understand the language now. I can speak it little, लेकिन मुझे वो भाषा अभी पूरी समझ में आती है. And I think that मुझे एक नई भाषा भी सीखने का मौका मिला, which is incredible for me as an actor, as a person. So yeah, ये मेरा prep था.
Wonderful, and what a month you've had.
Thank you.
A huge theatrical hit, a massively loved film on one of the world's biggest streaming platforms. Tell us something about what you loved most about working on Maharaj. And did you think that your fate was going to be scripted this way?
I don't think anybody feels that their fate is scripted in a certain way. We all hope for the best, and we all dream big, and I have always had the courage to dream big, and I'm so grateful and glad that I'm being blessed like this by the universe, and it's an overwhelming feeling actually for me. But of course, I think the best part about this film, and I think that everybody says it, is the cast and the crew of the film, because I remember that जब भी हम lunch break होता था, everyone used to sit together in there was a massive tent, and everybody used to sit together. किसी के घर से रोज़ खाना आता था, कोई ना कोई अपने घर से कोई एक special dish या specialty कुछ बना के लेके आते थे, and then the whole team used to sit together and eat. And I think that as Indians we are, आप जब साथ में खाना खाते हो तो I think वो दिल तक पहुँचता है, and I think that that's how we started this that's how we started this journey. And it's been incredible to be able to perform with these actors, with the rest of the cast who has been exceptional. Of course, Sid sir, who was the captain of our ship, and an incredible team of technicians. So I think that what I take back with me are a lot of fond memories with some incredible people and a lot of learnings. To be an actor, I've manifested to be here. I've dreamt of these days every single night, and I think that there is no pressure. I think that I'm very, very happy to be where I am. I am very grateful to be where I am. तो pressure तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. And of course, Alia is my favorite actor, and to be able to work with her, I think is a incredible opportunity. It's like being in a masterclass for acting, and I get this opportunity. So I'm going to use it to the best of my ability, because ये मौका मुझे इतना जल्दी मिला है in my career that I must use it. Otherwise, I can't let it go to waste.
No, we prepped for I think about a year. We were reading with Siddharth sir, with Sneha, with like all of us as well, with my cast members. So yeah, we took our time with it. I think it was one of the first films that were shot after the lockdown. So it was great fun making. Tips from my father, well, he only gives advice and tips if you ask for them, and only about very specific things. So a bunch of them now, but they're again very, very specific. They're hyper specific about a particular. नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगता इतना प्रेशर था. माई फैमिली इज़ वेरी सपोर्टिव, तो उनकी तरफ से कोई प्रेशर नहीं था. मेरे डायरेक्टर बहुत ही सपोर्टिव, मेरे प्रोड्यूसर बहुत ही सपोर्टिव हैं. माई कास्ट मेंबर्स वर फैंटास्टिक टू वर्क विथ. तो मुझे वो प्रेशर कहीं से फील नहीं हुआ. तो इनफैक्ट वो जहन में भी नहीं आया कि कोई कंपेयर. आई डोंट थिंक, क्योंकि I don't think Maharaj is the kind of role Papa would go for now in any case. जी.
हम गुजरात गए थे टू शूट एंड माय फेवरेट थिंग वाज अ थाली. आई रिमेंबर व्हेन वी लैंडेड, जुनैद वर वी टुगेदर.
3 थाली खा चुकी थी.
Oh yes.
So the minute
Oh,
we
yes.
landed, they said कि ओके आप सब यहाँ जा सकते हैं, यहाँ बुफे है. I said हम नहीं जाएंगे, हम सब थाली खाने जाएंगे. And I looked at Junaid and I said where do we go? And we've just gone. We've had the first thali we had as soon as we landed in Ahmedabad. After that we travelled and we've had some 3 thalis. I remember that even on an off day I've gone and had a Thakkars ka thali somewhere.
Rajkot.
In Rajkot. I love Gujarati food and I've eaten a lot of it.
First of all, physical transformation. It was really painful. 5.5 months of. But I think सबसे सही ये रहा कि उस वक्त कोई कुछ कर नहीं रहा था. यहीं इसी ऑफिस के जिम में आते थे 2 बार दिन में, और बाहर कुछ खुला नहीं था, पार्शियल लॉकडाउन था, वो सब चीज़ें थी. थैंक्स टू माय ट्रेनर प्रज्वल शेट्टी, ही इज़ अमेजिंग गाय. उन्होंने बस मेरे खाने के साथ जो खिलवाड़ किया है, बस उसका वो बहुत पेनफुल था.
जयदीप सर थाली नहीं खा पाते थे.
कभी नहीं.
मैं बहुत फूडी आदमी हूँ, हरियाणा से हूँ, तो घी और पराठे और ये सब, दूध दही. हाँ, थैंकफुली मुझे कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स और मीठे का उतना शौक नहीं है. बट जो लॉकडाउन में जो आप 10 पराठे खाते हो ना दिन में, सडनली जब वो एक दिन बंद होता है तो आपको लगता है आप पागल हो जाओगे. वो चला 5.5 महीने, और उसी दौरान फिर स्क्रिप्ट की भी तैयारी चली रही थी. स्लोली आप पढ़ रहे थे आप साथ में अपने को एक्टर्स के साथ और राइटर्स के साथ. कीप गोइंग इन योर माइंड अबाउट दैट कैरेक्टर, दैट इरा. एक बार मैं बीच में आई वाज, though I knew some social political background in that era कि 1862 में 1800 में क्या चल रहा था, and I was just एक बार देखता हूँ कि क्या उस वक्त क्या political और socially हो रहा था. Then I suddenly realized no, महाराज does not care कि बाहर क्या चल रहा है. उसका अपनी ही एक दुनिया है, वही का वो भगवान है. उसके दिमाग में कुछ और ही चल रहा है. उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता अंग्रेज राज कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे हैं, बाहर लोग क्या सोशल रिफॉर्म आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है. तो आई स्टॉप्ड इट. मैंने कहा नहीं, अब पढ़ना ही नहीं मुझे, मैं अपनी इसी दुनिया के बारे में सोचता हूँ. इट वेंट ऑन एंड ऑन. फिर एक दिन फिर वही बात, जब आप ये सब कर रहे हो तो आपको पता नहीं होता है. फिर आप जिस दिन आपको मेकअप करके कॉस्ट्यूम पहन के खड़े होते हो शीशे में, अपने आप को देखते, आपको लगता है कि कुछ अलग होने वाला है. एंड देन यू हैव अमेजिंग को-एक्टर्स एंड योर डायरेक्टर, योर टीम. इट जस्ट फ्लोज.
But there's a beautiful story, you know, his entry scene in the film, we shot almost a year later. By then he had already moved on to another project and he had put on weight. So I called him and said, Jaydeep sir, wo entry scene karni hai. So he said, bhai, I have to put on weight now, I have moved on. So I said, no worries Jaydeep sir, I've seen lots of things which happen in VFX. उसमें ऐप डाल देंगे, कोई नहीं, don't worry, ये हो जाएगा. So he said, भाई पूरे 5.5 महीने I have worked, given my life to get that body. I can't start with a fake body in my first scene. Give me 3 months. So I said, bhai, ek din ki shoot hai. It's not that we are going long and long. It's just 1 day. He said, give me 3 months, I'll get that body back. He took 3 months for 1 day shoot and got that body back.
Wow.
સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડડે. બેલ આઇકોન પર ક્લિક કરીને મેળવો તમામ વિડીયોના ડાયરેક્ટ નોટિફિકેશન.